If you have found this video, consider yourself lucky, because crypto is a nasty space. It is filled with fancy websites, buzzwords, and empty promises, all shoved in your face with massive marketing budgets. When in reality, blockchain hasn't really brought anything innovative to the table since the launch of Ethereum back in 2015. Yet buried underneath all this noise, there is one project that set out to change everything. They have been building their own protocol for the past 9 years. A project so disruptive, so far ahead of its time, so technically advanced that the crypto media has done everything in its power to silence and suppress it. Why? Because once you find out about this project, there's simply no reason to look into anything else. And that's where I find myself today. All in one single crypto. My friends, I present to you the Internet Computer Protocol.
Everything else sucks so bad compared to Internet Computer. I don't even want to talk about or pay attention to anything else.
This project is clearly the biggest in ambition of any project in this space.
It is the blockchain singularity.
It is of a different order of magnitude.
Today, the entire internet runs on massive data centers controlled by just a handful of monopolistic corporations. They store all of our data and host all of our websites. All of this runs on a protocol that was invented over 40 years ago. It was designed to connect computers and not for what we use the internet for today.
And now the mark. Ow! It went to zero!
The result is an IT stack that is layered with patches and middleware.
Hackers drained about $1.5 billion from the company on Friday.
And that's where ICP comes in. ICP is a decentralized cloud alternative, one owned and controlled by its users. A brand new internet protocol that is seamless to build on, unhackable, unstoppable, and tamper-proof by design. A next-generation internet tech stack designed for the future. ICP's goal is simple: replace the broken infrastructure and put the power back into the hands of regular people.
ICP is a groundbreaking blockchain project aimed at revolutionizing the internet.
ICP is clearly more than just a cryptocurrency, but as a cryptocurrency, its transactions are faster than the second best. They are also cheaper than the second cheapest. And it does this while being the most efficient, the greenest blockchain in the entire space. ICP gets a lot of critique for being centralized, but look who's first on this list. But metrics are boring, so let's talk tech, because every crypto claims their apps run on-chain. But here's the reality: ICP is the only blockchain to run websites and applications entirely on-chain. The only blockchain to host games and the only one to host AI models on the network. Other blockchains are simply not designed to do so. ICP is a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana scaling solution. A layer 2 for 3 networks simultaneously, with more to come in the future. ICP smart contracts are unlike anything else. They can host entire blockchains and process up to 500 gigabytes of data. The blockchain already does 100 times more computation every second than all other blockchains combined.
That was legitness. Yeah.
And this is only the start, because ICP is infinitely scalable. ICP has the highest staking rewards in all of crypto. The only blockchain to support HTTPS outcalls. You can access the blockchain through a web browser. No more fucking wallets, no more vulnerabilities. ICP has reverse gas fees, where users don't pay any gas. This is crucial for mass adoption. ICP also invented passkeys, a way to log in that is safer and easier than a Google sign-in. ICP has the most advanced governance system in all of crypto, where anyone can propose changes, users vote whether they want it applied, and the codes get injected right into the protocol. The network literally runs itself. Just imagine if governments start using this. True democracy!
A real constitution and real elections in Wadia!
Are you still not convinced? Let's look at the team.
The key to success is developers, 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 developers.
The largest research and development team in all of crypto.
Developers, 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 developers.
Time and time again, ICP dominates in terms of developer activity.
Yes!
Metrics on ICP constantly go up, and while other projects delete their roadmaps because they can't deliver, ICP has a highly detailed, 20-year forward-looking roadmap.
The biggest in ambition of any project in the space.
And so everyone's last attack vector is ICP's price action, which, yes, does look pretty set on first sight. But here's what they don't tell you. ICP was launched at the top of a parabolic bull run, which is very unfortunate. But even worse, it was manipulated by the fraudulent FTX exchange before its launch.
There was an orchestrated plan to crush ICP.
FTX inflated the price of ICP, then heavily shorted it after launch.
So now with everything you've learned, the choice is yours. Is ICP's price action a weakness? Or is it a generational opportunity to get into the best tech in all of crypto?
3, 2,
I rest my
1.
case.